When I was in bed yesterday, I thought I couldn't move because I was tired, my legs hurt, and I've been lying down too. I told my mom, tears rushing down my face. She's like, Ben, you've been walking since before pre-K. Yeah, I guess she had a point, didn't she? But then the Newtonian laws popped into my head. I read the law like, yeah, I'm at a constant state of rest in that preconceived idea of what it all meant. For those who are at rest, that have the characteristics Sir Isaac Newton had made a decision, and it can't be changed only with some external force or provision. It can be called uniform motion. Stop all rolling? Oh no, here we go. And the law of inertia is somehow forgotten because you didn't study a book written 327 years ago. You should know. Newton's three laws, they describe motion using physics and calculus. Three laws, they're Newton's laws. They're Newton's laws. They're Newton's laws. They're Newton's laws. Newton's second law is consistent with the first one. Have you opened up your textbook, son? Let's talk acceleration right now and how it's directly proportional to the net force acting on the article. F equals ma. F is the force. M will stand for mass and A is the acceleration. This formula is important. Do some memorization. Momentum is conserved. It is implied. It's the same law that shows that forces aren't balanced. Stop, divide, rearrange it to find acceleration. It's the same law that lets us design elevators. How fast should you accelerate to get up those floors? Do the math and study up. When I was in physics class, I learned the steps. If you don't try to learn, you won't figure it out, man. Those tests that you take will have results that won't be grand. Just like Newton's second law, effort and grades are a proportion. You gotta try, do your best, and you'll get what you put in. These laws aren't all the same, but that's not important. When you're talking about motion, dang right, you gotta know it. Newton's three laws, they describe motion using physics and calculus. Three laws, they're Newton's laws. They're Newton's laws. They're Newton's laws. They're Newton's laws.
We press play, forces interact. These forces never interact with the veil over our eyes. We can't take the push back till the day we see forces united by laws. When kids are walking around the hallways, they don't see the anti-reaction law. A world so forceful, some are evident in nature. When a fish pushes, water pushes fish. And the words on paper aren't going to solve themselves, but there's a good place to start. Newton's laws isn't going to change ever. We have to follow it forever. Whenever a force acts upon us, we have the same one. Strip away the unclear, underneath is all the same law. About time the forces paired up.
Newton's three laws, they describe motion using physics and calculus. Newton's three laws, they describe motion using physics and calculus.